Nancy Pelosi grew up knowing the power and purpose of politics. A historic figure as the first woman Speaker of the House of Representatives, she used her superpowers to pass some of the most significant laws in our nation's history. On January 6th, Nancy stood in the breach and defended democracy. With her husband, Paul, they stood up to extremism with absolute courage, physical courage. Nancy is a brilliant, practical, principled, and determined leader. Her accomplishments are overwhelming, and I predict, and I've said this to her for a while, history will remember you, Nancy, as the greatest Speaker of the House of Representatives.